How to add HubSpot to Outlook 2024. In this video, I'm going to be quickly teaching you on how you can add your HubSpot to your Outlook in the easiest way. Now, if you want to use this incredible platform for yourself, do make sure to check the link down in the description below to get a free sign up and much more. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to head over to your Chrome web store and you're going to search up HubSpot sales. So once you search this up, it's a proper featured app by HubSpot and it's totally free. So simply go ahead and click on Get. Now, this is basically an extension for your browsers, okay? It is not any type of application. Now, once your extension is set it up, all you're going to do from here is open it up. And once you open it up, go ahead and log in with your HubSpot account. So we're going to go ahead and add in our email right over here. Simply click on next. Now, once you click on next, what it will do from here is it will basically sign you in with your HubSpot account. It will say that we will, remember you. So go ahead and make sure to add in your password as well. Once we do that, simply click on login. And once you click on login, let me show you where it takes you. Now, once you've logged yourself in, that will basically connect your HubSpot sales to your browser. And this will basically set you up with anything Google or Microsoft related on your browser where you can manage all of your mails, all of your CRMs, all of your working settings in Google and Microsoft. So basically, that is how you are going to go ahead and add HubSpot to your Outlook in 2024. And again, if you want to use this platform for yourself, do make sure to check the link down in the description below right now. Have a nice day. Drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.